Thank you. Hi. Now that you've learned how to get a sanitary pad from a pink sanitary napkin vending machine, let's learn how to refill and then reset the machine. And these two activities are important because while this is a 70 capacity sanitary napkin vending machine, every time you use a 5 rupee coin to dispense a sanitary pad, the count goes backwards and then finally at some point it will reach 0. At that point you will need to refill the machine with sanitary pads. Now as I mentioned earlier, this is a 70 capacity sanitary napkin vending machine. So there are 2 trays of 35 each. You need to start from the left and go up to the right, 35 in the first tray, and then again left to right, 35 in the second tray. Please remember that the machine understands that once 35 napkins are dispensed from the first row, it will automatically go down to the second row. If you squeeze in a 36th napkin in the first or in the second row, the machine does not understand it. So let's learn how to refill it. I have done the first 2, I'm going to do the next. Between the gap, place the napkin in the pitch. Let's look at it again. I'll do it on the second row for easy. Between the gap, like this. If you see, there are no marking. It is not covering any part of the spring. Again, between the gap, here. Clean. The machine has to be horizontal. So we put 3 here. We'll put the 4th here. 5. 6 and so on and so forth. As seen here, I have now refilled the machine. Starting from here, 35 napkins. And then here, 35 napkins. It's important to remember that the first part of the spring must be refilled. Don't worry, it will not fall down. Here again, the first part of the spring must be refilled. Each napkin should be within the gaps. If you see here clearly, there is not a single napkin that is above the spring. It's in between, what we call the pitch. So ensure that the napkins are refilled. Again, 35 left to right. Again, second row, left to right. Starting from the second row. Don't worry about, oh, the napkin may fall. Nothing of that sort will happen. Now let's learn what happens after you refill. Now even after refilling the machine, we still have another step to do to ensure that the napkin gets dispensed. As mentioned earlier, we have to assume that the stock is now 0. So even if you put a coin in, the napkin will not get dispensed. So what do we do after we've refilled? We need to do the following. You need to switch off the mains and continue pressing the top button, which is the reset button. Press it continuously and then switch on the mains again, while still pressing that button continuously. What you read here is system refill. The moment it says system refill, you can remove your finger. There will be the second beep which says system booting, and your machine is now rebooted to dispense sanitary pads, and the count has gone back to 70. Remember, the count was 68, now it is 70. Thank you.